Hello and welcome to a new chapter of Junior Bioscience. So today we are dealing with ecology and the topic is species interactions. We know that in community level the species generally interact and the competition is mainly the intraspecific or the interspecific. And the intraspecific means if the competition is occurs between the same species and if the competition is in between different species then it is called interspecific interactions. So in either way the competition means the both the species they get harmed. The negative symbol is for loss. The next type of interaction is amensalism. Amensalism is 0 minus 1 is one species is neutral, it is not get benefited, not get harmed, but another species is inhibited or destroyed. Okay, so the example is the penicillium does not swallow the growth of the bacterium Staphylococcus. The next is the mutualism. We all know that it is a kind of symbiotic interaction where both the specific gets the benefit. So the examples are mycorrhiza, which represents the symbiotic association between fungus and roots of higher plants. And one more is crab and sea anemone. And next is the lichen. It is a mutual relationship between algae and fungi. The algae will give the moisture and the nutrients and the fungi will provide the food. And the next is ants and aphids, then mice, then ant and caterpillar, and the rhizobium. In case of leguminous plants, the root nodules they have the capacity to fix the nitrogen. The next type is protocorporation. It is a type of mutualism, but the difference is that in this case, the two species do not depend on each other for the survivability. These are some of the examples of protocorporations. For example, the desulfovibrio and chromatium and the nematode and sulfur oxidizing bacteria. So generally question come that you need to recognize the type of interaction. Examples they will provide. You just need to recognize what kind of interaction it is. And the next is parasitism and predation. Parasitism and predation in which one species gets the benefit and negative means one gets the harm. The predation example is tiger and deer. And the parasitism, the parasite gets the benefit and the host, it gets the harmed. So we know that the parasites are of ectoparasites and endoparasites. So in case of example, you can give the brood parasitism. In brood parasitism, the parasite, particularly the birds, they deposit their eggs in the nest of other or another species. Okay, example is cockbow bird, and the next is commensalism. It is interactions where one species gets the benefit and the other species not get benefit, not get harmed. So it is neutral. So allelopathy is the direct or indirect chemical effect of one plant on the germination, growth or development of the neighboring plant. Suppose one plant it will release the chemicals, so the other plants or the neighboring plants when they get contact with that plant they automatically gets affected. Okay, then the next is the examples of the commensalism examples are nitrobacter and nitrosomonas, barnacles growing on the back of bill, and epiphyte growing on another plant as pest parasite, poison red frog and bromeliad, remora and starfish, clownfish with animal, cascata and scissors. So let's discuss one question from CSIR net part C. In this table you need to find the A, B, C, D. That means you need to find the species interactions. Okay, in case of A you can see the species 1 here negative sign, and in the species 2 also negative sign is there. That means both the species gets harmed. That means it is a kind of competition. So A will be competition. The next B, the species 1 gets harmed and the species 2 gets the benefit. That means it is a kind of predation where one organism gets the benefit and another organism gets harmed. And the C is both the species gets the benefit. That is, it is a kind of mutualism where both organisms gets the benefit. And the D is one Species 1 is neither benefited nor destroyed. It is neutral, and species 2 is get destroyed or inhibited. So it is a kind of amensalism. So this is all about the species interaction. You just need to remember the examples of each of the interactions, and you need to remember where one organism is benefited, where it get harmed, where there is neutralism. So this is all about the species interactions. I hope it will help you. Please do subscribe and share with your friends to get more and more such videos. Thank you.